In today's video, we're tackling a common issue, fixing the Zendesk provisioning error. You might have seen this error message. Error while creating user. Record validation errors. Phone is not properly formatted. So why does this happen? It's because the phone number you're sending from Okta to Zendesk isn't in the right format. Zendesk needs phone numbers in the E164 format. That means the number should have a country code, an area code, and a subscriber number. Remember, you can either use the E164 format for phone numbers or turn off phone number checking in Zendesk. Let's dive into how you can fix this. The first option is if you want to keep phone validation enabled on the Zendesk side. Start by going to the Okta admin console, look under Dashboard, then select Tasks. Find the task for the user you need to fix and click Edit Assignment. Enter the user's phone number in the correct E164 format. For example, +18002 190964. Then, save your changes. Check if it worked. Go to Applications, then Applications again. Here, search for the Zendesk application and click on it. Here, click on Assignments. Click on the pencil icon for the user in question and make sure the user's external ID and phone number are correct. Lastly, in the Zendesk Admin Center, go to People, then select Team Members. Check if the user in question got their phone number showing up right. And there it is, the phone number shows correctly. For the second option, if you want to disable phone validation on the Zendesk side, in the Zendesk Admin Center, go to People, then select End Users. Scroll down until you find Validate User Phone Numbers. Uncheck it, and then click on the Save tab. Back in Okta Admin Console, go to Dashboard, then select Tasks. Here, search the user in question and look for any tasks that didn't work. Once found, expand the failed task, check the box next to the user, and press Retry Selected. Now let's check in Zendesk by going to Applications, then Applications again. Here, search for the Zendesk application and click on it. Now in the Assignments tab, look for the user and click on the pencil icon. We need to make sure that the external ID is present. We can see that Zendesk didn't verify the phone number for E164 format. Lastly, in the Zendesk Admin Center, go to People, then select Team Members. Here, let's check the user in question. Click the three dots and then press Manage and Support. Now, in the user profile, we can see the phone number is similar to the number in Okta. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily fix the Zendesk provisioning error. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.